The rugged off-road SUV segment is seeing something of a resurgence. Long dominated by the Jeep Wrangler, the segment is attracting attention with the promised reintroduction of the Ford Bronco in 2020 and the Toyota FTAC concept that was shown at the last LA Auto Show. Nissan, too, has taken notice. Nissan is expected to unveil a new Frontier pickup truck in 2018, and the xterra could be based on that platform. We'd expect the truck to remain body-on-frame to properly compete with the Toyota Tacoma and Chevy Colorado. A new V6 engine is also likely for the Frontier. Nissan's current Frontier uses a 4.0-liter V6 that puts out 261 horsepower and 281 pound-feet of torque.